Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm freezing. It's like 32 degrees out here, really. So we're going to look around this flea market and see what we can find. $75? Are you kidding me? Yeah.
Attention customers.
We are back home from the Ren Fair, and this is all I got. I missed a 38-inch Barbie. If you don't know, I have quite a large collection of 38-inch dolls. I have the Barbies, I have the Disneys. I love them. And I also have Patty Play Pals and other large dolls. Missed it by less than 2 minutes. I was walking in the booth and a lady was coming out with one, and it was in nice shape. It was a mold you don't often see, face mold, and had on a real cute outfit. It was an aftermarket outfit, but she paid $15. Anyway, you got to move quick at those flea markets. I was back at another booth that had 2 of those really large tubs full of dolls, mostly porcelain, but not all. $1 a piece. So I was going through, I was looking for that Ken or Blythe. It wasn't there, but I'm going to keep looking. This is what I bought. They have an indoor, they have this every year, twice a year, spring and fall. It's a huge antique mall with a huge parking lot, and twice a year on the parking lot, they have this big flea market. I got these because I don't have enough fabrics. I should cut these open. Let me grab a pair. Oh, here we go. Let me show you these. I am sewing for dolls all the time. And this was $1. And this one was $1. And I like different prints, and I like whimsical. These puppies are kind of whimsical. Just cute. That'll make a real cute dress. I'm doing a custom for a younger Blythe, and at some point I'd like to make her something out of these. I thought they were real cute. The first one I saw was this one, and I thought this would be cute for 4th of July. The little Scotties. Which way do they run? This way. Upside and downside. I just thought it was cute, and it's that Older fabric, they just don't make it like this anymore. I know you hear that a lot, but it's absolutely true. Look at the selvage edge. It doesn't have those huge holes in it. Even the expensive fabric these days, the selvage is, you know, this wide and useless, whereas you can sew right up to that line and you don't have to finish that edge because that's what a selvage edge is. Then I went inside the antique mall and I found, you know, they had its flowers, but it was small enough for the mini Blythe, and I liked that, so I bought it. And I found some bias tape. Sometimes I use that for the college edge, the finish edges of outfits, but 75 cents. This is like almost $3 now, so I was glad to find it. And then there's a lady I met at the 2022 BlytheCon that makes Blythe outfits out of old hankies. These ladies would carry these everywhere they went. They'd tuck them up their sleeve. From the 50s and back, they would carry these hankies, and everybody had one, or several, I guess. And they're just pretty, and the fabric you can see is just really nice. I don't know what it is. It could be linen for all I know. But she makes the cutest outfits out of those, and she mentioned that in her area she had just about bought them up. So I told her I'd look here. So I got to contact her. I found those, and that's all I bought at the flea market. We got a great workout. We walked at least, I don't know, 2-3 miles by the time we walked around outside and inside, so well worth it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.